and this is my first Minecraft video. It's going to be a little weird today. First one. I'm making a video. Whoa, this is weird. So I am going to make... Whoa. Oh, I'm going to make... Oh God, I'm in water. It's kind of recording. Come up with a better way. Make a lot better way. But it's gonna be possible. The way I'm doing it is kind of weird. Here it is, people. Here it is. There you go, my hand. I'm not the best. I just started. Look. I can't. Oh no, I'm in vibes. I'm gonna make this better. I don't really know how, but yeah. Maybe by not today. This is my first Minecraft video, so I'll just show you my dogs. Well, for now, anyway. I have a vet, you can probably see. Over there. And there's a big house, too. Which is the dog house. I can't read. I'll just tell you. Yeah, and you can hear him. God, great. Kind of weird. Okay, doggies are being uneasy. First dog is Chad, Daisy, Golden Pork Chop. Okay, nice enough. It's Johnny, Rogers, Baby, Dad Jr., Matt, Bubbles, and Sydney. Okay, that's my dogs. Now, this is just my first Minecraft video, so I'm not really making anything. It's just a tour of my Minecraft house and dogs. Pretty much. I'll give you the rest of the stuff. And, tell me what I should build next in the comments. And please, punch that like button, or you're gonna make me sad, and I'm gonna start making funny videos. So please, do that button. Now, okay, so, this is, my, basement. And there, here is, I'm stuck in lab. I need to have my tablet soon, but here is the lab. I'm gonna just show you the upstairs, and that will be it. I will make another one, probably later today, or maybe tomorrow. I might make a Madden one. Madden Mobile, but yeah. I don't play that guy. And this is the upstairs. See? Like it? It's gonna be better in the next video. Okay. Bye!